Lastly, we have the last success criterion for today, the 3.3.8 Accessible Authentication Minimum, which is a AA level criterion. The 3.3.8 says, a cognitive function test, such as remembering a password or solving a puzzle, is not required for any step in an authentication process, unless that step provides at least one of the following. Alternative, another authentication method that does not rely on a cognitive function test. Mechanism, a mechanism is available to assist the user in completing the cognitive function test. Object recognition, the cognitive function test is to recognize objects. Personal content, the cognitive function test is to identify non-text content the user provided to the website. The objective of this success criterion is to ensure the availability of an inclusive, user-friendly, and secure login method. Many websites rely, of course, on usernames and passwords for authentication. However, remembering or typing in these details, including one-time verification codes, can pose significant challenges or even insuperable obstacles for individuals with specific cognitive disabilities. Websites can, of course, use the username or email and password inputs for authentication, granted that the author enables user agents, such as browsers, third-party password managers, to automatically fill in these fields. Copying and pasting can offer a reliable method to bypass manual transcription. Users can copy their login credentials from a local search, such as an independent third-party password manager, and then paste this detail into the appropriate field on a login form. Who benefits from this success criterion? Those experiencing cognitive challenges related to memory, reading, numerical comprehension, or individuals with limitation in perception processing. Let's review some examples. On this slide, we find an authentication form featuring username, last name, and password fields that lack proper markup. The website prohibits users from utilizing a password manager and blocks the user from copying and pasting its credentials from a local source. Moreover, it fails to provide any alternative mechanisms aside from this cognitive function test, thereby, of course, falling short of meeting the success criterion. In this second example, we encounter a simple email and password authentication form. Users are allowed to copy and paste data, and password manager tools can automatically populate the inputs. This instance complies with the success criterion. This final example showcases an excellent implementation of accessible authentication. The website presents several methods to access the personal area. Signing in with email and password with options for copying and pasting or utilizing a password manager. Signing in with a passkey enabling face or fingerprint recognition. Alternatively, users can sign in with Google or Apple accounts. By offering multiple alternatives, users can choose their preferred authentication method, therefore improving accessibility.